What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest way to protect your fruits and vegetables from insects and birds. We work way too hard in our garden all year to have insects and birds steal our harvest. Yet, it seems like the moment our fruits and vegetables start changing colors, they're there, taking our harvest from us. But there is an easy, cheap, effective way to keep insects and birds off our fruits. You can use organza bags. These are often given out as weddings containing party favors. They come with drawstrings and they're sold by the hundreds. They are perfect for protecting our fruits. My figs stick out like a sore thumb when they start changing colors, and the insects and the birds flock to them. Look at that. A bird got to that fig. That is ruined. But if I use an organza bag, and I wish I would have done this sooner, you can simply cover the fig and then pull the drawstring closed, and that will protect them from both insects and birds. As for that one, that is not edible. I have to throw that away because the birds beat me to it. So once again, for a closer look, we simply slip the organza bag over the fig, and then we pull the drawstring shut, and that will protect it from both birds and insects. This organza bag works in two different ways. First off, it obviously creates a physical barrier with very fine mesh, so that will keep most insects and birds off because it will be a physical inconvenience to them. But the second way it works is I buy the green bags because I find it also helps camouflage the fruit. It is the vibrant color change that attracts the birds and insects to know that they are ripe. So if you can camouflage them underneath a green material like this can often trick them into thinking the fruit isn't ripe, so they never even bother. But what about large fruits? Well, you can get these organza bags as large as you want. They come well over a foot long, so if you have issues with your tomatoes getting sucked by leaf-footed bugs or your cucumbers getting bored into by pickleworms, you can get appropriately sized bags to protect those fruits as well. Now, if you have so many fruits that you simply can't bag them all, or you just want to maximize the effectiveness of the system, bag up all of the fruits that you can, then get yourself a piece of insect netting and drape them over the tree or your row of plants. The double coverage will maximize the effectiveness. So protect your fruits so you are the one that gets all of the harvest. If you're curious where to get these organza bags or insect netting, I will place links down in the video description below. They come in all different sizes and colors. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.